Welcome to a new episode of Ari's Quest Log. And today I want to talk about the way I approach YouTube. Because, yes, I do create content and I have even built a PC for it. So I invest time in it and I take it seriously. But the way I approach creating content is different. I don't mainly think in terms of producing content. I mostly think in terms of documenting my journey. And I will explain why that distinction matters to me. When people talk about creating content, it often comes with a certain mindset. You have to plan ahead. You have to optimize ideas. You have to think about performance and results. And that makes sense, especially if content is the main goal. But I noticed that when I fully adopt that mindset, it adds pressure before I even start. And I begin thinking in outcomes instead of experiences. And that is not what I want this channel to be. Now, documenting, it doesn't mean I don't care about quality, and it doesn't mean I don't create anything. It means that the starting point is different. Instead of asking, what content should I make? I ask, what am I already doing that's worth logging? Like the PC build, the learning process, the experiments I'm doing, those are real things happening anyway. And if I decide to play a game like Monkey Island, why not document that journey as well? So, documenting means capturing things honestly as they unfold, without turning everything into a performance. Once I embraced that approach, YouTube became lighter. I still create videos. I still edit. I still care about how things look and sound. But I no longer feel like every video has to justify itself. Some videos are more reflective, some are more practical, some are just checkpoints. And that variety feels natural because it reflects real life, my life. And of course, I already have a full life outside of YouTube. I have my work, I have responsibilities, I have the projects I'm working on. I also need to recover, enjoy certain things, and documenting respects that reality. It allows me to create without burning energy, constantly reinventing myself for the platform. So this channel becomes, well, it becomes like a companion to my life, and not something that competes with it. It's a logbook I return to, not something I feel pressured to show up for. And if you're watching this, you're not here for a perfectly produced show. You're here to follow a real journey in progress. Some weeks there's more momentum, other week more reflection. And that also means that some weeks there's more to share and other weeks little less. And you don't have to keep up, you don't have to watch everything. You're simply welcome to dropping. So, yes, I do create content, but I choose to approach it through documenting. And that's what keeps this channel sustainable, honest, and enjoyable for me. Thanks for being here. This is Ari Quest Log, and not just with content, it's a record of the journey, my journey. And if you're not yet subscribed, you can subscribe. You can leave a comment. You can give me a thumbs up. Yeah. And I hope to see you next time on, well, on which channel.